Welcome to the AA Hogs Be Gone. Welcome to another feral hog trapping episode. And this video is about another feral hog trap in this 377 trapping system. And that video starts right now. Good morning, folks, and welcome to another trapping episode. This is episode number 21. Last night, March 25th, I trapped another hog. So I am on my way to Moran to load this hog. I'm excited because I got a new contract. I'm going to move the trap about in a week or so to a different location. There's plenty evidence of hog activity on this next property. I'm excited about that. It's been a slow year. I know January was pretty decent. In January I trapped 17 hogs. In February only 2. In this month, only 2. And this month is almost over. It's been about the one in March, I think it was March 5th, the last time I trapped a hog. So it's about 20 days. I hadn't seen a hog in a while, and it's, I don't know if it's the hard freeze that we had last year that diminished a lot of hogs here in North Texas. And then we had some wildfires, and I think that all of this, I think, has an effect of this hog population. So I guess it's a good thing. It's going to take a while for the hogs and the wildlife to reproduce. But anyway, I am heading to Moran, Texas. If you haven't subscribed, today is a perfect day. Do me a favor and hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell. This way you won't miss out on some incredible videos. I'll see you at the trapping site. Well, folks, we're almost at the trapping site. Fixing to make a right-hand turn here. And the trap site, it's not too far from where I'm at. Be at the trapping site in about 2-3 minutes. I'm going to show you how easy it is to load this hog. This 377 trap with a loading chute makes it real easy to load. Alright, I'll see you at the trapping site. Alright, folks, I'm at right in front of the gate. I'm going to switch over to the HogEye. I'm going to activate the live mode to see what the hog is doing right now. Well, it is 11:04, and let me zoom in there to show you. That big old hog is taking a little nap right now. Alright, I'm going to open the gate when I go in there. And I know he's going to panic once he hears this truck and trailer. Alright, we're on the property. I'm going to have to turn around and so I can back up to that hog trap. Alright, folks, I am backing up to the hog trap. We're on the property. I think this hog already knows that I am here. I think this hog's about 165, maybe 170. He's a pretty good sized hog. Nice one. Yeah, this 377 trap here comes with the loading chute. Makes it real easy. Love this trap. It's a commercial grade, heavy duty. This trap here is gonna last a long time. Probably outlast me. Look like that hog's trying to dig underneath there. Alright, little hard to back up and film. So, all right, I'll see you here in a little bit. Okay. All right, folks, it didn't take very long. That hog's going to turn around. He's going to see this opening right here. He said, hey, and he loaded right in. Now let me show you the HogEye in action when I trapped this hog on March 25th. It was 9:31 when I received the notification, so I fired up the app and I send the command. Folks, you know what to do next. Hit the like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe and subscribe right now. All right, folks, here's my personal icon. Click on that if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. And I encourage you, check out these other videos down here. And I will see you guys on the next video. All right.